A global pandemic has shut down countries. A virus has brought uncertainty to our global economy. Millions of Americans are out of jobs, with unemployment offices being overwhelmed and our stimulus checks already spent on food, utilities, and rent. Let's face it, most of us need a solution now. We need to get back to work. Here are 9 home-based jobs that require little to no previous experience. Welcome back to the Money Rumble. I'm Jacob, and this is Jacob's Corner. I noticed there are all kinds of articles and videos on how and where to invest or where to put your stimulus check, but I'm not seeing anything on how to acquire that one essential investment tool that everybody needs. The one tool that's going to help you build wealth, money. You need it in order to invest it. So today we're going to be talking about my top 9 picks for home-based jobs that require little to no previous experience. Let's get going. So our first job that we can do at home in quarantine is being a chat agent. This is a good one to start with, especially if you have kids at home, if you don't have private workspace, or for those of us who don't like talking on the phone. You still need to meet some basic requirements for this job. You have to have a reliable internet connection of at least 5 megabits per second download. You need to have a minimum of a 35 word per minute typing speed. You need to be able to handle multiple conversations at once. You need to have a friendly and professional attitude, and you need to have self-discipline to work at home. Next, we have transcription jobs. There are many companies out there looking for transcriptionists. Transcriptionists typically get paid per word, and most transcription companies are always willing to bring on beginners. Third on our list is customer service. And again, you're going to need to have that positive attitude, solid typing skills. You're going to need an internet or telephone connection, and customer service agents typically answer questions about products or services of the company that they're representing, and they handle and resolve complaints. Typical requirements for a customer service agent is a high school diploma, some related work in customer service, and excellent communication skills. Fourth on our list is data entry. You're going to want to brush up on your typing skills on this one. Doing data entry jobs must be a fast and accurate typist. Many companies pay only based on the number of correct keystrokes made. You're going to want to have accurate, fast typing skills, basic computer skills, experience in working with word processing databases and presentation software, a good working computer with a high-speed internet connection, and some companies are going to want a dedicated landline or a cell phone. Fifth on our list is a web tester. A web tester makes sure that a website is easy to navigate and is user-friendly. Equipment you're going to need to get started to be a web tester is an updated PC or laptop, a high-speed internet connection, and some sites are going to require you to have a webcam. Sixth on our list is a search engine evaluator. I know what you're thinking, but Jake, what does a search engine evaluator even do? Most likely you'll be doing searches on sites like Google and Bing. Most companies work with Google, and a search engine evaluator will type in a specific search given to them by their company, record and report on the results. And here are some basic requirements of that job. You're going to want to have some researching skills. You're going to need to have knowledge of current events and current pop culture. You must be willing to work a minimum of 10 hours a week. Some companies are going to want a college degree. You're also going to want to have good written and verbal communication skills. And most of the time, you're going to need to pass either an online test by the company or an interview. Seventh on our list is moderation. No, it's not like eat everything in moderation. Many work-at-home enthusiasts go to moderation jobs for their first at-home job. And what does a moderator do? Moderators typically are in charge of overseeing online communities like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any large social place where people communicate online. There are several companies that hire moderators with no previous experience. Eighth on our list is an online researcher. If you already know your way around the web, you can start looking for work right away. If you're good at finding specific things really fast, you're definitely a candidate to be an online researcher. For those of you with degrees or research skills in legal or technical field, then you are in really high demand and the likelihood of finding a high paying research job is likely. And finally, number 9, virtual assistant. So what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, or a VA, also known as a virtual personal assistant, is someone who assists a business virtually from a remote location like their home. Basic skills that you're going to need to be a virtual assistant include knowing cloud-based communication technologies, specific skills for specific duties, good organizational skills, and the ability to work independently and be self-motivated. And finally, you're going to have solid written and verbal communication skills. Well, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this helpful. I will leave links to the different sites where you can research each job so that you can find the best fit for you. Remember to punch that like button, knock out that subscribe button, and ring that bell so you can get notification when a new video comes up. And as always, stay safe, wear your masks, wash your hands, and be kind. Love you guys. Rumblers out. Let's start over. 3, 2, 1. How and where to invest index of home-based jobs that require next. We're gonna. All right. Tell you what. Let's try this. You need to have money in order to invest money. You have to earn money. Oh, work. This is, come on. There you go. That doesn't require much prior. That doesn't do it. Man, representing. And transcription and trans are going to have similar requirements to the chat. Or talk about services of the company they're representing. They representing of the company that they're hired by. What happened? They record the results according to specific skylines. If you already know your way around the web, if you already know your way around the if you already know your way around Jesus. All right. If you already know your way around the web, Jesus. Breathe. Skills you're going to need. I will leave links to the different sites where you can do your. I will leave links to the different sites.